Hi, to fix no voice typing in Gboard on your POCO X7 Pro, we need to open settings first. Then scroll down and find the Apps tab. Choose it, and now we need to find our Gboard. If you cannot find it in this list, then tap on three dots, and here you would see this Show All Apps. You need to tap it, and now all of the system apps will be shown, such as Gboard. Now simply find it, tap to select, and what we are going to do next is we need to check its permissions. So go in App Permissions, and now you need to make sure that microphone is allowed here. As you can see, in my case it's not allowed, so let's change this. I'm gonna tap on microphone, and here enable allow only while using the app. Now let's go back and also allow access to everything else, and for context and for camera. And now let's test it. I'm gonna enable my keyboard, and now I can see this microphone icon on top. I just need to tap it, and now I can see something and it would be displayed in this tab. So as you can see, everything is working just fine. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.